Ever stumbled upon the infamous BBC iPlayer error code 01124 while trying to access your My List? You're not alone. This error code is a known issue and it's causing quite a stir amongst the iPlayer community. So, what exactly is this error code 01124 all about? Well, it's an error that occurs when users attempt to access their My List on the BBC iPlayer. It's a pesky little bug that's been causing some inconvenience. But fear not, the good folks over at the BBC are well aware of this issue. In fact, they have made it clear in the support section of their website that they are currently investigating this error. They've assured users that they're doing their best to get to the bottom of this. They've also promised to keep everyone updated about the progress right on their website. So, if you're keen on staying in the loop, it's worth keeping an eye on their page. Now you may be wondering, what's the best course of action while we wait for a fix? Well, patience is key. The developers are hard at work trying to solve this issue. In the meantime, you have the option to report this error to the developers. To sum it up, the BBC iPlayer error code 01124 is a known issue that arises when users try to access their My List. The BBC team is aware of this and is actively investigating the problem. Updates on the progress will be shared on their website. While waiting for a resolution, users can report the error to the developers. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the BBC iPlayer error code 01124. Remember, it's always important to stay patient and keep in mind that issues like these are often temporary. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.